Hey guys, it's Mixter Boys, and today we are going to be playing. Don't press the button 4. Okay,
We will enter the mysterious Susibaka cave. Ren. Oh, I gotta reach the top.
Is there a speed coil?
You become friends with Go Zombino.
I sent a friend request.
You what? This game just scam. It's a scam. It's a scam. Oh. Come on. Come on. Please no. Lucky, but I'm never lucky. Oh, not today, Sunny. Meanie. Never been good at PvP.
Wait, just look plus team. Team! Oh my god.
Yeah! I got him! Yeah! Oh shoot!
No, I'm dead.
Okay. Not today, Sunny. Oh, you're alive! Now we just chill up here.
Wait, I
No! Me! You! What? What is S? Orange triangle. Is this it? I think this is a wedge. A dark blue cylinder. Like 100. Oh, this is gonna be fun. I'm like kind of fast in my class, so
my-
you know.
He has a glitch.
How is that guy so
He found
fast?
a glitch.
That's. Help me.
Avoid
Where's the button? Aw.
I'm just gonna stand on some
Avoid
bricks.
being
Just stand on some bricks. Go crack. Yay!
Yay, we won! Potato. Ow!
And boom. And then I walk, and then boom. Then I walk, and then boom. Easy, not even hard, you suck.
Yeah. Easy. Is that the windows? Bing me. I
Don't
put
see
it out
fire.
of 5. No!
Oh no!
Nope. Yeah, I got her! Stop!
How
Ow.
is this girl so tiny?
And the Meeble King and the Typing Dog. No!
Wait.
I will.
Wait. No, it destroys it.
Suck at parkour. What if I suck at parkour?
Then just be good at it.
What? How
If
was
you
I
suck at
supposed
it,
to
be
know that?
good at it. I'm just. Someone just pushed me into the stuff. Oh no.
What's to do?
Boing. Nope, well I fell.
I had
Wait,
no idea
oh.
what I was supposed to do.
Now I see. Wait, what if I'm stuck down here? Oh, weak. Rope. Oh, cat.
This one. Aw.
Yes. No.
Oh, come on. Why is it always but? Oh, that's how. What? One, three, and then you jump. See, that's not to do. It's only impossible. No, 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 no. Wait a second. Okay. Here we go.
I was so close and I just couldn't. Because I was standing on this.
Okay, I did it. I did it.
I was like, you know what, I'm gonna kill you. I know.
Ah. Oh. Ah, shoot. Shoot. Ah, boy. Oh, boy. Nope, 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 nope. Oh, okay. We're all okay, Abraham, mate. So we're gonna be dinosaurs doing parkour. I'll see you.
I got ears.
Oh, I thought I
have
so. These, yeah, easy, not even hard. Down, up. What? Oh no. Oh poo. Ah, poopy pants. And I lost my leg. Okay, I lost my leg. Okay. Oh, poo. We gotta get to the other side, because of course we do. Or you can just be a gun like me and walk straight. What? 5 minutes. Yeah.
Okay. Do slide down.
Hey.
Hi.
Hey, I won't fall in the lava. Oh, okay. I'll be a man. Oh shoot. Being a man isn't going so well. Apu, Apu. Oh, dang it. I was so close. Fine. I just get like a rocking chair.
One.
How do you repair the broken windows?
I don't know, you touch them. Oh, you.
What happens if you don't do it? No, you're gonna die. Yeah, you know, I'm just gonna hang out up here. Among Us, and you know, I'm gonna fight out like a man. Hurry up, Wyatt. There's too many. Oh, that doesn't matter.
Oh, hold.
Easy. or gold or earn coins.
Ah!
No!
Build walls, build walls.
Yeah. What?
I died immediately.
Knock on the door. Dun, dun, dun. Oh shoot.
This guy can jump. This is a smart AI. Even though I can no, I can make it rain
Not
bricks.
Sokka! No! Look both ways. Sight never look both. Looking both ways is goofy. Easy! I didn't even look both ways. You just have to test your luck when crossing the road, you know? That's what I always do. I just run and go through it. I've been hit by a car 18 times and broke my ribs 33 times. But you know, I'm alive. That's what matters most. Oh, I have a beach ball. Yeah, this is speedrun 4.
I think there are multiple games, like speedrun 1, 2, 3, and 4.
I don't know. I feel like there's only speedrun 4 because that's the only one I've ever seen.
Hey.
Get to the water. It's easy. You just jump in the water.
There's puke on the rainbow.
Are you serious? This is straight up impossible. How do you do that? Oh, this is gonna be fun. Going on the edges. I literally have the entire top layer to myself already.
Same. I'll tell you. But I'm still up there.
How?
I stood on bricks, which don't activate the thing.
Cheating.
No, it isn't.
Kinda is. I get it.
Fine. Woo! I see. Let's go. Woo! Nope. How did they fall so fast?
Easy, not even. I'm just gonna dig straight down and hope I find something cool. Is this it? Found it! I found it! Haha!
How? No, the light's moving. Count. Woo!
Ah!
We're back to the pile. No!
How do you do this? This is impossible. This is like a wet floor and Doors model. Okay. Not even hard. Well, that's it for today's video, guys.
See you guys. Bye, Mixer.
Bye.
Play this for like an hour or two after this.
See you later.
Because this is one of my favorite